Gold last week finally breached the critical psychological mark at $2,500 and has closed the week above 2,500 at 2,508 levels. Does this mean that it has consolidated enough and ready for a breakout, which is going to take it towards 2,600? Is it a good time for you to invest in gold for a long term and hold? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week, in the coming month? We are going to with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review, and yes, I do provide twice a day updates and targets for gold price. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into the weekly charts itself. That is the most important part which we are going to see. Now, if you look at the weekly charts, what has happened here in gold? See, it is looking upwards. Moving averages are trading with divergence and are staying bullish. If you look at the formation, see rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and then this breakout has appeared. Now, if you look at this breakout, it appears that it has also formed a very, very good, strong support now at 2,300. With that as support, see the moving averages have climbed up, and now it has formed a very good support. This suggests if whenever you see a support here, it has given a breakout. Now it has formed another support for multiple weeks and months. Can we say a breakout is there? Possibility is there? It appears so. Only worry point here is, good thing here is, first of all, what suggests that it is going to go bullish, that it is closed at the top at a bullish note. This suggests that it can continue in the coming week with a stronger bullish bias. Now, once it breaks 2512, 2518 zone in the coming week, when you see the gold price is trading about 2512, 2518, do not think of selling gold. We can look forward to further highs where we can expect it to move towards 2550 and in fact 2580 or 2600 levels as well. Possibility is there. If you look at the formation here, what has happened? See, rise, retracement. Now, since then, it is being trading bullish. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. Now, higher highs means on the upside, it has a scope till towards 2550. That is going to be the first resistance zone on the upside and a very strong one. If it stays about 2512, 2518 zone, then you can look forward to those levels. Also, looking at the move, it appears it is consolidated enough and ready for a breakout. My only worry point here is that I'll show you that on indicators, but right now looking at the formation rise, retracement, and first breakout, second candle is staying about 2512, 2520. We can say that it is going to give you a stronger rise again in the coming week. Also, notice the size of the candle in the preceding 2420 to 2510 almost. So that covers almost $90 of move or $80 of move at least. And even if you consider half of this, $40 means 2550 is going to be there. And in fact, beyond that is also possible towards 2575, 80 or in fact 2600 levels. But let's have a further look here. It is not so easy that it is going to give you so stronger a break. Look at the stock IC. This is rising here on the weekly charts. Look at the now, this is important on MACD. See, already it is at an extreme levels. Now, after a bit of retracement, it is crossing over again. It suggests that it can form a double top before retracing. Now, even if it forms a double top, even if it tries to move towards a double top, that will in fact easily take the prices towards 2700 levels before it looks forward to a reversal. Right now, it has crossed over and it is looking upwards, though I see that the downside is very much available. But before that it appears it is going to take it towards the highs before looking for any downside. RSI is also rising. This is on the weekly charts. Let's have a further look. That is, only worry point was this, that is MACD, which is trading at an extremely higher levels. But the charts are not supportive of a drop as of now. Now let's have a look at the daily chart. Look at the daily charts. Bit of consolidation. See, it has breached this triple top levels. It has closed at the top. It is pushing the Bollinger Bands to expand. This suggests, and yes, closing at the top, this suggests that the first two trading sessions might gonna take the prices further high. Look at the move for the last trading session, 2452, 2510 levels. And in fact, if you see half of this, you can expect 2540 in the very first trading session. And in fact, it can trade 2550 as well. on the very first session. So couple of sessions might gonna remain bullish where the prices can trade higher, and yes, this is going to be a strong momentum before it looks forward to a reversal. Remember, the faster the rise, the sharper can be the retracement. Also, if you notice this, it is delivering higher highs. If you connect these three peaks, you can see these three were aligned and the price has closed above this, which suggests a breakout. And thus, the possibility of further up move exists here. Yes, it has consolidated here for weeks. Now it is giving a breakout. It can extend the rally like this, what we have seen here. It can extend the rally like this, what we have seen here, and now it is looking upwards. Stochastic has dropped a bit. Look at the MACD on the daily charts. Now, MACD on the daily charts, divide this into two. Symmetry. Look at the formation symmetry. What preceded this was a stronger drop. What could follow here is a stronger rise towards the peak. Yes, it took multiple weeks for it to hit the lows here after the crossover at the top. It could take multiple weeks for it to reach the highs, form a double top, and then fall. That is one possibility, and very, very strong one. RSI is rising as well. Coming to the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, see a crossover here, rise retracement. It has consolidated, taken the support here, and now looking upwards. Though the bullishness has got diminished, but it is not completely over. Yes, it is putting the bands to expand. Looking upwards, it can continue here for a while from here. And if you look at the formation here, see after a bit of consolidation in zone, now it is giving a breakout. So this might continue here on the upside. So signs are bullish. Only bearishness in gold is if you see it trading below 2450. Any point of time now in the coming week, if you see gold trading below 2450, you can say now it is bearish. And then you should not be keeping your buying positions, because below 2450 and 2420 we will look forward to a stronger correction here. If it drops below 2450 and 2420, I think a long correction is due. I will show you that on the monthly charts. See, stochastic is overbought. MACD, if you look at the MACD on the 4-hour charts, after retracing here, it has crossed over looking upwards, and this suggests that the next few sessions might gonna bring more bullishness. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to the monthly, on the monthly charts, see the rise. It has consolidated here for weeks and months. You can see this since post COVID era, it has been trading in the zone till 2000 levels, and then towards the beginning of this year, it has given a breakout. And if you look at the formation, now again it has formed higher lows and higher highs. It is very, very important for it to break beyond this. If you connect the dots for the last three peaks, you can find it is almost at the top, and thus it is also very, very important for it to trade above 2512, 2520. That will confirm a complete reversal. See higher lows here, higher highs. What it is looking forward to? It is looking forward to 25 40 50 zone in this week, in this month itself. If it breaks beyond 2518, 2520, do not think of selling gold. Just stay in buy, and you can expect a stronger rise. But the monthly stochastic is again back to overbought zone, and I think it is going to be difficult for it to sustain this zone for a while. So maybe even if it continues on the upside, it will take a couple of months or more for it to hit the highs before it looks over to a stronger reversal. Look at the MACD, was on that was on the stochastic. If you look at the MACD after the crossover, it is looking upwards, and it is almost at the peak of it, from where we always see a reversal. Only thing is the red line here is catching up, and it can take a couple of months for it to stay here in this zone before looking forward to reversal. RSI is overbought. So now the signs are more towards a momentum, bullish momentum, and a breakout. And thus, I think it is still not too late for you to invest in gold and hold for at least couple of months. And from those levels at higher highs, you can think of liquidating your positions. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can all profit. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my free Telegram channel, join my mentorship batch. And yes, those who are looking forward for signals alone, where you can trade as per the signals provided in the signals channel, you can be part of it, where we trade diverse instruments, including indices and commodities from across the globe. Reach out to me for your query. The channel is on Telegram. And yes, you can connect with me over Telegram as well, or email me. The details are there in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments with ease, with safer environment, which offers a swap-free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. First, the buying entries at 25.12, where you can expect 25.18, 20 as the first target zone, and once it stays about 25, 18, 20, the targets are big. We are looking forward to a stronger rise beyond this, where you can look forward to 25, 38, 25, 47, and then 25, 25, 67 will come into picture. Beyond this, it is going to move towards 25, 81, and in fact 2600 is possible. Looking at the move it has shown towards the last trading session, anything and everything is possible. In just couple of sessions itself it can move towards this zone. Any move beyond 2600, sky is the limit here. You can just keep trailing here and keep securing your profits. On the downside, if it reverses, because see, it is bit exhausted, it is definitely a staying at a higher zone, and yes, most of us are looking forward to a reversal. But when you look forward to a reversal, it does not reverse, remember this fact. So looking at this as selling entry, you have to keep a note of it as well. I will recommend only at 24.99, and the most important support zone here is at 24.84.80. See, this was the resistance. Only and only if gold breaks below 24.84.80 zone, you can say now the reversal is on track, and then we can look forward to a stronger support at 24.64, 24.50. And if it breaks below 24.50, do not think of keeping your buying positions here. We will look forward to a stronger correction towards 24.20, 23.90, and then below that 23.50 levels are possible in this month itself. See, if it can rise strongly, it can fall sharply as well. Looking at the move for the next week, it does not appear to be the case. It appears that it may continue with the bullish momentum here. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch every day the twice a day updates that will give you a fair enough idea on how to profit trading gold in the daily basis. Happy trading. Have a great weekend and a profitable week ahead. Thank you.